everyone, welcome back. In this video we would learn how to solve the practice problem C++ operators relational. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically in this question we are given two variables A and B and we need to find the relation between them. Basically if A is greater than B, then we need to print that A is greater than B. If B is greater than A, then we need to print that B is greater than A. And if both of them are equal, then we just need to print that A is equal to B. So this is what we have to do, and this can be easily achieved by using if, else if and else. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear how we are gonna do it. So without any further delay, let's solve it. Okay, after scrolling down in the difficulty, you need to choose school. Okay, after choosing school, you need to find the problem C++ operators relational set 2. Okay, once you find it, you need to click on solve. Okay, here is the question. Let's read it. Given two numbers A and B, and task is to check whether A is greater than or less than or equal to B. Okay, and we would be coding it over here. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear with the question and how we are gonna do it. So let's start. So first let's click here, enter. Let's start with the if condition. Okay, if A, capital A is greater than B, then curly brackets enter, then curly brackets enter, then we need to see out. See out means print. What do we need to print? We need to print that A, see out, then brackets, right? Then I need to write is greater, right? 1 minute. Is greater than, okay, and then let's add some space over here, 1 minute, and then B, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Now this is the if condition. We need to even write the else if and else condition, right? So let's write that. Now after if, let's not write, the curly brackets. Let's just do it without the curly ones. Else if B is greater than A, right? So if B is greater than A, enter. Then what do you need to do? Then you need to print see out, then brackets. Over here you need to write A, brackets, not brackets, this is the relational operators, and you need to print is less than, and then you need to add some space, and then finally B. Okay, so this is the else if condition. Now the last one is else, right? Else, enter, see out. Okay, then this time you need to print that they are equal, right? A, this, then double quotes, then you need to write is equal, equals to, basically equals to space, and then B. You solve the question. Now to check if it is correct or not, let's click on compile and run. Okay, let's click and wait. The compilation is over and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. So the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem C++ operators relational set 2. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you like the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.